Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting DIY project, building your own beehive from scratch. Whether you're looking to support a healthy bee population, enjoy fresh natural honey, or simply try out a rewarding new hobby, this step-by-step guide will help you create a safe and thriving home for your bees. So, let's get started and make a positive impact on the environment while reaping the sweet benefits of beekeeping. Before we jump into the construction process, let's talk about why beekeeping is so important and why you should consider building your own hive. Bees play a crucial role in our ecosystem by pollinating plants, ensuring food production, and supporting biodiversity. By building a beehive, you're directly contributing to a healthier environment. Imagine harvesting your own delicious honey straight from the hive. Fresh, natural honey is not only tastier than store-bought varieties, but it's also packed with health benefits. Keeping bees promotes environmental sustainability by supporting local pollination and decreasing reliance on mass-produced honey. Plus, it's a fantastic way to learn about nature up close. Before picking up your tools, a bit of planning goes a long way. Let's cover the essential factors to consider. Your beehive should be placed in an area that receives ample sunlight, is protected from strong winds, and has a nearby water source. Make sure it's also positioned away from high-traffic areas for safety. There are different types of beehives, such as Langstroth hive, the most common type, featuring stackable boxes with removable frames, Warre hive, a more natural design, mimicking the way bees build their hives in the wild, and top bar hive, a horizontal hive, great for beginners as it's easier to manage. Choose the one that best suits your needs and space. Here's what you'll need: wood, pine or cedar works well, screws or nails, non-toxic paint or sealant, protective gear, bee suit, gloves, smoker, and hive frames and foundation. Now, let's get to the fun part, constructing your beehive. Using your wood and screws, build the main structure of the hive. If you're making a Langstroth hive, you'll need multiple stackable boxes. Inside each box, install the frames where bees will build their honeycomb. These frames are crucial for organization and honey collection. Drill small ventilation holes to allow airflow and prevent excess moisture. If you live in a colder climate, consider adding insulation to protect the bees during winter. Now that your beehive is ready, it's time to introduce your bees and keep the hive in top condition. You can purchase a bee colony from a local beekeeper or supplier. When introducing them to the hive, do it gently and during the evening to reduce stress. Check your hive every couple of weeks to monitor the health of the colony. Look for signs of disease, pests, or overcrowding, and take action if needed. When it's time to collect honey, use a smoker to calm the bees and gently remove the frames. Be sure to leave enough honey for the bees to sustain themselves, especially before winter. Building your own beehive is an incredibly rewarding experience. Not only do you get to enjoy fresh honey, but you're also playing a vital role in protecting bees and promoting sustainability. Always wear protective gear and follow best practices when handling bees to avoid stings and ensure a stress-free experience for both you and your colony. There are many beekeepers out there willing to share tips and advice. Connect with local groups, forums, or online communities to learn from others and share your own experiences. What do you think? Are you ready to build your own beehive and start your beekeeping journey? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting DIY and nature projects. See you in the next video.